There is something wrong with the Bandit. It simply doesn't start. Let me show it to you. Okay, let's turn on the ignition. Nothing happens. Let's turn it off. You saw? The rev counter went up and down. Let me do it again. Nothing. And now. And the right side, it's not illuminated. Okay, let's try to turn it on. Clutch in. Nothing. So it could be the battery, it could be the switch on the clutch, and it could be also the switch on the side stand. I really don't know, but I will firstly try the battery, because I am quite convinced that if it wouldn't be the battery, I wouldn't see this rev counter moving, going up and down. So this is it. I mean, when I tried it for the very first time, I also saw that the right part of the dash was for a second illuminated, and I believe that it's the battery. It's flat right now. I tried to charge it for some hours, but nothing. It was just the flashing light that it's charging, but finally after 7 hours, nothing. No sign of starting, you know, and that's why I will have to remove the battery and buy a new battery first, and then if it's not the battery, check everything again. It is an AGM battery for motorcycles, and it comes with the A-seat here, and you have to put it inside. So it's not really ready right now, but I will open this strap here and put the A-seat inside, wait a bit, and later install the battery. I will also try to charge it a bit to see if it's gonna charge. In that case I will need more power from the charger to be fully charged, but I'm not sure for how long, so we'll see later. Okay. This one we will need later to cover these holes. The battery should be that way, that we see the front here. Okay. And now let's go like this. Okay. And now we can see that it's moving, it's going inside. I will wait right now till it drains completely, and it says in the instructions that I have to wait for an hour after it's gonna be completely drained, and then I will also try to connect it and charge it a bit. We'll see if it's gonna charge, and when it's gonna be fully charged I will install it. There was no need to charge it a lot. It took 20 minutes and the new battery was full. Now I will remove the old battery. Here we go right now. Yep. You have to attach this strap that the battery is safe and stable, and then just put the plus on plus and minus on minus, and you are done. Okay, I have to go with these, you know, and the bolts are going inside. A simple thing. Plus, minus, yes. Here we go, plus, minus. Right now we'll see how it will go. I hope that it was only the battery. Oh yeah, very, very good sign. Put a bit of choke. Oh yeah, man, I am happy. I am really happy. Good, very, very good. The Bandit works. This was all, guys. This was the battery change on the Bandit 650. I hope that you enjoyed. I will have to put everything back together and then just go for a ride. Thanks for watching.